Nova Launcher has improved a lot over the period of time, and now it also has a lot of new features that Android O has in its official launcher. In this video, I will show you how you can get the Google Now cards inside of Nova Launcher and some new features from the Android O official release. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with the video. You can see that the setup looks almost identical to the Google Now launcher. You have the swipe left to get the Google Now cards, and you have the notification badges. You also have the long press options, and you can also use them to create a new shortcut and a lot of new other features as well. So before we go into the installation, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you press the subscribe button and also tap on the notification icon, and let's get started with it. So the first step before installing the Nova Launcher and the Google Now cards would be to go up to the settings menu and make sure in the security section you have the unknown sources box ticked. This will let you install third-party applications just in case you need to install them. You will have to install the latest beta of the Nova Launcher, and for installing that you can open up Google Play Store and select Nova Launcher, and you'll have to join the beta program, and then you can install the launcher from here. Or you can just download the APK from the description box below. I have the APK myself, so I will install it. I will go ahead and install this. You will have to set up Nova Launcher like how you want it to be. I will just select the light theme, immersive, and swipe up. And now you have the basic Nova Launcher setup ready, but you can still see that you can't swipe left to go to Google Now cards. And for this, you'll have to use a separate application. This is the official application from Nova team itself. I will have the link to the APK in the description box below. You'll have to install this application as well, just like a normal APK file. It's just a 360 kilobyte file that enables the Google Now cards. And that's kind of it. This would enable the Google Now cards inside of Nova Launcher, and it would work just like it works with the stock launcher. All of the features remain the same. You get the weather, news, and everything just like it does on stock. You also have the quick launch options that you get with the stock Android launcher, and you can also enable notification badges. To enable the notification badges, you will have to open the Nova Launcher settings, and here you will have a notification badges option. This will only work with the Prime version of Nova Launcher, and you will have to enable the notification access for Nova Launcher, and then it would work just fine. I can also use these options and create a shortcut. This icon will open the YouTube trending page directly. It won't change the poor content of the trending page, but it would let you access some features with just one click. You can still customize Nova Launcher how you want it to, and all of the features work just fine. If some application has a notification inside a folder, it would show up the notification badge just like this. Inside this you can see 2 applications have a notification. If you like this video, make sure you press the subscribe button because I keep making content like this, and you can also watch some previous videos on this channel.